Hello friends, my name is Varsha Awasthi and I welcome you to our YouTube channel Education. फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट वीडियोस में मैंने आपको IAS कोचिंग के बारे में बताया था, लेकिन इस वीडियो में टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल अबाउट IIT एग्जामिनेशन. इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर IIT, अगर आप IIT एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, देन I am going to suggest you some coachings there in Chandigarh. So Rise Campus Chandigarh reviews today I am going to tell. It's coaching in Chandigarh, Rise Campus Chandigarh. So here we have given 6.5 rating to them. Past year result was 3 by 10. Infrastructure was 8.5 by 10. Batch size was 7 by 10. Teacher 8 by 10. I have already told you the teachers in this particular coaching are very good. They are very much cooperative and their teaching is best, I can say. You will get a study material also. You get a complete syllabus there, and teachers are also cooperative. I have already told you fees is 6 by 10. Now if we talk about courses they offer in the Rise campus, it's IIT and JEE which they are focusing on, and fee it's 1.25 lakhs or above. It may be batch size up to 30 students per batch. Past result 19 have already crossed out the examination. Teachers Dr. P.K. Sharma and Madhumita. Google reviews 4.4 out of 5. Now books, what books are recommended? So they are suggesting 10 years IIT JEE solved papers through oureducation.in. You can see here 10 years solved papers. They are okay, they are just selling online, so you can purchase if you want to, or soft copy LN study material. Here also you can see they are providing it online. So if you want to, if you are thinking to prepare for the examination or joining the coaching, then for the IIT this coaching is good. You can join if you want to, if you are nearby Chandigarh or you are planning for, if you are searching for some coaching. I think this will be the best coaching. I won't say, but this will be good for you.